I've been in America for 3 months, and I still have 0 friends. Every day, I see people talking, laughing, and spending time together. But me? I sit alone. No more. Today, I'm going to make my first friend. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Me English. I'm Maya. Today, we will learn English through a real-life story. You will learn how to introduce yourself, how to start a conversation, how to make friends in English, and useful everyday phrases. And don't forget, there will be speaking practice too. So, speak with me. Let's begin. One Saturday morning, I was walking through town. Then I saw a sign. Book Club. New members welcome. I stopped. Maybe this was my chance. I stood outside the building. My heart was beating fast, very fast. What if nobody talks to me? What if my English is bad? What if I say something wrong? But then I remembered something. You cannot make friends if you never say hello. So I opened the door. Inside, people were talking in small groups. Everyone looked friendly, but I still felt nervous, so I sat alone. Hi, is this your first time?
Yes, it's my first time. Mine was last year. Don't worry, everyone is very nice. I'm Sarah. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Would you like to sit with us? Really? Yes, thank you. Of course. Come on.
And just like that, my first conversation started. Let's stop and learn some useful friendship phrases. These phrases can help you meet new people in English. Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name? This is a simple introduction. Use this when you're both new somewhere. I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. This phrase helps people understand you. Can I sit here? This is a polite way to join someone. It's nice to meet you is one of the most important phrases in English.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Ready? Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name? Is this your first time too? I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. Can I sit here? It's nice to meet you. Great job. Let's continue the story.
Would you like to get coffee after the meeting? Sure. I'd like that. Great. Let's go. Oops, I spilled my drink. Oh no. Are you okay? I'm fine, just a little clumsy. We both laughed, and suddenly, I felt more comfortable. So, where are you from? I'm from Chicago. It's a big city with amazing food. I really miss deep dish pizza. Deep dish pizza? I've always wanted to try that. It's one of my favorite foods. That's so interesting. Tell me more. Really? You want to know more? Of course. For the first time, I felt confident speaking English. We should meet again. I'd like that. Can I have your number? Sure. Perfect. I'll text you. We should meet again. I'd like that. Can I have your number? Sure. Perfect. I'll text you. I couldn't believe it. I had a friend. Now you try. Imagine Sarah is talking to you. Introduce yourself. Tell Sarah your name, your country, one thing you enjoy. Ready? Go. Excellent! Sarah asks about your weekend. Now answer this question. What did you do this weekend? Speak out loud. Great work. Invite Sarah for coffee. Now make an invitation. Say, would you like to get coffee sometime? Try it now. Fantastic! You're speaking real English. 1 month later, Sarah and I talked every week. My English improved. I felt happier, and I wasn't lonely anymore. So, Maya, are you still nervous talking to people? Sometimes, but not as much as before. You've improved a lot. Thank you. My first friend in English. It changed everything. Sometimes one conversation can change your life. All you need is one hello. Let's review 5 phrases to make your first friend. Phrase 1. Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name? Phrase 2. Is this your first time too? Phrase 3. I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. Phrase 4. Can I sit here? Phrase 5. It's nice to meet you. Practice these phrases this week. You can do it. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Speaking slowly is okay. Feeling nervous is okay. The important thing is to speak. Did you enjoy today's story? Write in the comments, "Hello, I'm," and introduce yourself in English. I'll be reading your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.